Inverse aesthetic. Intradermal injections of a hair growth factor formulation for enhancement of human hair regrowth. Intradermal injections of a recombinant, bioengineered hair formulation, containing growth factors, into the scalp skin, for enhancement of hair regrowth. Hair growth factor formulation and reducing hair loss and enhancing hair growth. The formulation contains vascular endothelial growth factor, basic fibroblast growth factor, insulin-like growth factor, keratinocyte growth factor, thymosin beta-4, and copper tripeptide 1 suspended in a sterile injectable vehicle. Intradermal injections of this hair formulation were injected into the scalp once every 3 weeks for a total of 8 such sessions. Hair pull test was performed before every session. Video microscopic and global images were taken at baseline, 4th session, 8th session, and 2 months after the completion of the 8 sessions. Relevant safety assessments through physical examination, questionnaires, and appropriate laboratory examination were conducted throughout the procedure. Reduction in hair fall was seen in 83% of the patients on hair pull test. Video microscopic image evaluation showed that most patients had a decrease in the number of vellus hairs, increase in number of terminal hairs, and increase in shaft diameter. 75% of the patients believed that the hair injections were aiding the treatment of their hair loss, and it was also beneficial in post-hair transplant patients. At 1 year, a statistically significant increase in total hair count, p equals 0.002, continued to be seen. Treatment was well tolerated. Intradermal injections of this hair formulation may be a promising option for treating male as well as female patterns of hair loss. Growth factors. Growth factor therapy is a relatively technological advanced technique for hair regrowth which involves separating the growth factors from plant-based enzymes and injecting them into the scalp to facilitate hair growth. Extending the vigor of human epidermal stem cells is now the cutting edge of biotechnical research. Current in vitro experimentation demonstrates that active plant-derived, compounds can stimulate the growth of human mesenchymal cells and help to protect them from free radical attack. The plants keep growing or adapting to the changes in one form or the other. Unlike humans, their growth does not get easily stunted and hence the growth factors present in them retain their potency for long. These suitable growth factors when injected into the human scalp provide the requisite nutrients which help in hair regrowth. First the scalp is cleansed and then growth factors solution applied over it. Then a device called derma roller is rolled over the scalp to enhance the penetration of the growth factors solution. The whole treatment takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Anyone who has started experiencing hair fall not more than 5 years and has a bald patch no more than 3 inches is an ideal candidate for growth factor therapy. In the first consultation, the doctor will do a thorough examination of the scalp and hair. After this the medical treatment is started which includes both the pre and post care in addition to the growth factor injection. The scalp is thoroughly cleaned and growth factors are applied. Derma rollers are rolled over the scalp to facilitate deeper penetration. The entire treatment lasts for about 20 minutes. Post-care instructions are given accordingly as per the person in question. The growth factor promotes new hair growth within 10 to 12 weeks of treatment. The hair density increases by 30 to 40% by 6 to 8 sessions of treatment. On an average 6 to 8 sessions are required once in a week to 10 days along with which supplements are given. To know more about growth factor therapy, treatment with appropriate medication for your hair-related problems and as per personalized solution visit our cosmetologist, trichologist at our clinic Inverse Aesthetic. To visit and book appointment call on +91 9,4,388,699 or mail us on invereaesthetic@gmail.com or watch and follow our live gallery on www.instagram.com/inverseaesthetic/.